Bob.
Yeah.
You want to step over here and tell us a little bit about your car today?
Yep, we have a 1958 Pontiac Star Chief. It's got a 370 4-barrel dual exhaust, all original. That's probably what makes this car.
Paint and everything. The patina's beautiful.
Everything's all original. It was actually original owner in North Carolina. Bought it in '58. Had it till he died in around '95. Then his daughter watched over it for the next however many years until last year. And then lo and behold, I was on eBay one day, and there she was. I've been looking for a Star Chief for a long time. And this is, it's got the classic, they call it Calypso green, which is a famous 50s color. And what's there not to love?
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
You do so much for the community, so I want to say thank you for showing up. Bob is the president of the Bayport Civic Association.
Yes, I am.
Tell us how you got involved with Skip Pope and the St. Jude's organization today.
Well, I mean, obviously I know Skip. I'm a member of the chamber as well. And first of all, what a fantastic fundraiser. I mean, St. Jude's is just a terrific charity. And like I said, I've had the car about a year now, and it's the very first show, so it all just kind of came together. I'd come in the past as just a spectator, and here I am, a participant. So really exciting stuff. And I thank Skip very much. It's on a great show, and it's a great charity, like I said, St. Jude's.
Thank you very much, Bob. Congratulations, and good luck with the car here today.
Appreciate it.
Have a great Sunday.
You too.
Yeah, mine was fine. Thank you.
Check. 1, 2, check. Check. 1, 2, test. 1, 2. Check. Roll right on. 1, 2. Check, check. 1, 2, check. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Good.
Hey guys, how are you?
The black truck, right? Yeah. I think that's him just pulling in, right? Is that him? No?
Here's Seth Needleman, owner of the fish store and past president of the Bayport Blue Point Chamber of Commerce. How are you today, Seth?
Great. What a turnout today. All I can say is Skip Pope, Skip Pope, Skip Pope. What a great job he did. We got, I don't know, we got 70 cars here, 50 vendors. The weather's beautiful. Great job, Chamber of Commerce. Great job, Skip.
Thank you very much, Seth. Have a great day.
Oh, yeah. This is Kenny. And this is Gary. I did they came with the car. We didn't get this car, right, Bernie? Yeah, we just
No, this one came in that.
It's number 98. We wrote it up front. I said 3940.
Yeah, the same dash. I mean, obviously it's the same car. Metal padding.
Ken, can I borrow you for 30 seconds?
Before that?
Yeah, I guess. But I mean, it's a sibling.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ken Felice of Sal and Ken's, local proprietor, and here as a judge today at St. Jude's, cruising for cars and for children, and a volunteer. How you doing today, Ken?
All right, then, the kid yourself.
Excellent, thank you. Why don't you tell me a little bit about the organization and some of the beautiful cars you guys got going on here today?
Well, I'll tell you, at first, we didn't know what was going to happen with the weather, but it all turned out good last night. The car show was great. A lot of people showed up. All proceeds go to St. Jude's. They're an organization that you have to go in there, you need help. Nobody's refused. Everything is taken care of, and I'm glad to be here today.
Can you tell us a little bit about the breakdown of how you're going to be judging some of the cars today?
Some are original. Some are restos, you know, the ones that are redone, different motors, different blocks. We're going to do a best of show after all that's said and done, and that's about it.
Would you consider any of the cars that I've brought you in the past 12 months a barnyard car? Is there a barnyard category? A barn find?
There is number one here. It says basket case.
Oh, there you go. Let me get that on the table. There it says it, basket case. Ken Felice, thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
That's where the gun is.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to Chris Cavanaugh, a local proprietor of Cavanaugh's Grill and Bistro.
And my boy Seth.
And Seth Needleman, who we met earlier today. Chris, tell us about your involvement in today's organization.
We're just helping out Skip any which way we can to get this event off the ground. It was a little shaky this morning with the rain. We got it together. It looks like a great turnout. A lot more old cars came than we thought. The vendors
guys are all here, and we're just all here for St. Jude to help out.
Well, thank you very much for your volunteering and for your time and for all the good work that both you and Seth do for the community.
Thanks for having us.
Happy Sunday, guys.
I don't want to drive the Hyundai. Even Enoch would prefer not to drive it.
You can't get out of your own way on that. It's got 100 horsepower. It gets 40 miles an hour. My daughter's got it.
Nice car. Interceptor?
Well, they were going to buy a property. That's a good idea. The guy said, oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to say this out loud. If it were up to me, the contest would be over and this car would be considered best in show. The lines are great. The paint is absolutely flawless. I believe this is a 61 or 62. And not to mention, I grew up in this car. Not this car, a car like this. 63. Very nice car. Is this yours? I can't. I believe the car comes in at about 14 and a half, 15 feet long. It absolutely is gorgeous. Mine too. Enjoy the show. Is this yours? When the registration's up, does that mean that you give the car to me? Can we work that out? Nice car, man. It's okay. Very quickly, hello, Tom Reed and current president of the Bayport Blue Point Chamber of Commerce, Miss Kathy Heinlein. Hi, Kathy, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Good. You guys want to talk about today's event for a second? You know, I haven't cut off the tape, right?
I always let
The sun is out. The sun is out. That's all we really wanted for today.
It's a great event for the community, but more importantly for St. Jude's.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, guys.
Continue having fun with me.
That's the only reason why I wake up, Tom. Happy Sunday, guys.
You too.